Welcome to the CFF Budget Builder page. This is the page that we think is one of the most important elements to profitability or lack of profitability on your next truck, trailer, or equipment purchase. So let's get started. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and in the top column, the monthly revenue column, you have to figure out what this is for your business. But for the example, I want you to put in $20,000. That's how much money your truck or trailer or equipment is going to generate on a monthly basis. The next element, the next field of the budget builder is your monthly payment. And for an example, we're going to say that you're going to buy a $75,000 truck and you're going to finance it, say, for 60 months. That'll drive your monthly payment to about $1,600 a month, so put in $1,600. The third field is how much are you going to pay for your driver to drive this piece of equipment. Now, your business is going to be different, but for an example, we want you to put in, say, $5,000 a month in your cost of a driver. The next field is how much are you going to pay for fuel per month to generate the $20,000 in revenue, and we want you to use $2,000 a month right there. The next field is something that many of our customers are unsure of, and this is what is the cost of your monthly insurance. And we actually think that many customers now, in a rising insurance environment, are underestimating the cost of insurance. So we want you to use $800. And the last field is what we call miscellaneous other expenses. It could also be called your reserve account, your repair and maintenance account. We actually think that many customers are not budgeting for enough in repair and maintenance. We want you to use $1,000 there. Now, if you take those numbers that I just gave you as the example and you hit calculate, you'll come up with $9,600 in potential monthly profit. Good stuff. Sounds like a good decision, right? Well, let me help you with the ability to use the budget builder to your maximum benefit. It's time to start to play with these numbers. Maybe your revenue is not going to be $20,000. Maybe it's going to be $15,000. Well, go ahead and put $15,000. Everything else stays the same. Hit calculate, and guess what? Your profit just got lowered by $5,000. But let me give you a real unique strategy. If everything's the same, and on a 60-month term, 5-year term at $75,000, your monthly payment was $1,600, and you were going to make $9,600. What would happen if you changed it to a 48-month term? 48-month financing on a $75,000 truck will drive your payment to about $1,900. So if you typed in the $1,900 and hit calculate, it would lower your potential profit by $300. You'd be making $9,300 on this truck purchase. Now you got to ask the great question. Would I be willing to trade $300 a month in profit to save 12 months worth of payments? That's a good trade. That's the beauty of the budget builder, the ability for you to customize your purchase based on your cash flow needs, your revenue needs, your expense needs, or your desired equity build in the equipment. Because if for $300 a month in reduced profit, you can still make $9,300, but yet you pay your truck off 12 months early, that's the beauty of the budget builder. So we hope this was helpful for you. Go ahead and now it's your turn to start playing with the budget builder. It's always free for you. Run your numbers before you ever buy a piece of equipment again.